Hey, done. Uh-oh. Something bad.
Oh no! Shh. Mr. Cameron's hair is gonna get all messed up.
Okay. Now, once we say something, get up and do it. Stand up. Not the kids, just the teachers. Up here. Step forward. 1. Spin around. Hop on 1 foot. Hop on 1 foot. Jump up and down. Keep looking forward, jump up and down. Okay, now sit down. Don't feel to sit. Just sit down.